2024, and we still don't know how to beat the cancer. But Singularity is really that close, and artificial intelligence is on the way to help us all. For the algorithm to work, we need a few variables: the subject of study, the hypothesis, and the data to analyze. The subject lives in East Africa and is called the naked mole rat. It is a small rodent with a unique ability not to age and not to develop cancer. In nature, larger animals usually live longer and small ones live shorter. But the mole rat, despite its small size, lives incredibly long, up to 30 to 40 years. This is equivalent to 600 years of human life. Research of Professor Gorbunova from the University of Rochester has shown that mole rat cells, grown in petri dish, are surrounded by a viscous medium, rich in giant chains of hyaluronic acid. This substance makes the mole rat skin strong and elastic. Scientists assumed that it is a hyaluronic acid that protects mole rats from cancer. To test this hypothesis, scientists transplanted mole rat cells into mice prone to developing cancer, and find out that mole rat cells do not turn into cancerous cells. When the ability of mole rat cells to produce hyaluronic acid was artificially disrupted, they became cancerous. This confirmed hyaluronic acid indeed plays a key role in cancer protection. Now into AI. The molecules of hyaluronic acid in humans' body never achieve enough size of the chain necessary to beat the cancer cells. There are chemical compounds which prevent them from doing that, and on the other hand, there are compounds which boost the growth of this chain. The data must be analyzed. Huge amount of data, thousands and thousands molecules which could do the job. Years and years of study. Except of now, we have AI. The algorithm goes through databases, compares characteristic after characteristic, until find a good match. And this match was found. It is a molecule called delphinidine. Experimentally, it's already really promising, but of course there are still some issues to be solved. So stay tuned and live long and prosper, and don't forget to subscribe.